Installing bath fans and suspended T-bar tight ceilings can be accomplished through several methods. Firstly, consider using drywall anchors. The materials needed include the bath fan itself, drywall anchors such as toggle bolts, a drill, and a screwdriver. The steps are as follows. 1. Hold the bath fan in place and mark the location of the mounting holes through the grill. 2. Remove the bath fan and drill pilot holes for the anchors into the ceiling grid. 3. Insert the anchors into the holes. 4. Align the bath fan over the holes and insert the screws through the grill into the anchors. And 5. Tighten the screws to secure the bath fan. A pro of this method is that it's easy to install, requiring no special tools. However, a con is that it's not as secure as other methods and may not be suitable for heavy bath fans. Secondly, explore using commercial grade clips. For this, you'll need the bath fan commercial grade T-bar mounting clips such as Airco T-bar clips and a screwdriver. The steps involve 1. Sliding the mounting clips onto the T-bars around the desired location. 2. Placing the bath fan on the clips and aligning it correctly. And 3. Tightening the screws on the clips to secure the bath fan. The pros include that it is secure and sturdy and easy to adjust. A con is that it requires commercial grade mounting clips, which may not be readily available. Thirdly, universal mounting brackets can be utilized. The necessary materials are the bath fan, universal mounting brackets such as Fasco Easy Connect brackets, and a screwdriver. Installation consists of 1. Installing the mounting brackets on the back of the bath fan. 2. Sliding the brackets onto the T-bars and adjusting them to the desired height. And 3. Tightening the screws on the brackets to secure the bath fan. This method is universal and versatile and easy to install. The con is that it may not be as secure as other methods, especially with heavy bath fans. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific bath fan model being installed. Ensure the bath fan is properly vented to the outside and test the bath fan for proper operation before securing it permanently.